This is an unboxing and product review of the 2470S WDR. We're going to go ahead and open up this box for you and show you exactly what to expect if you decide to purchase this camera from us in the future. Inside the box, you'll find a user manual, find the camera, you'll find a bag with 4 mounting screws. This camera is a vandal-proof dome-style camera. It is rated for both indoor and outdoor use. It is a 700 TV line resolution camera with a 2.8 to 12mm lens. At 2.8mm, you're going to get a 90-degree angle of view, and at 12mm, you're going to get a 23-degree angle of view. This camera has 36 pieces of high-intensity infrared LEDs, which is going to give you up to 130 feet of night vision in complete darkness. This camera features an OSD, which we'll give you a better look at in just a minute. You'll see here that the OSD joystick is connected to the cable, and that this camera also comes with a BNC female video connection and a DC 12-volt power connection. This camera has a 2.8 to 12mm lens that can be adjusted using the zoom and focus screws on the sides of the lens here. You'll see on the side there is a focus labeled right next to the flat blade screw that will adjust the focus. The same goes for the zoom side. Next to the zoom label there is a flat blade screw that will adjust the zoom.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. Thank you for watching.